Warm welcome to the exciting world of animals. May I hope for a subscription, please? The Ashy Woodswallow, sometimes also called the Ashy Swallow-shrike, is a wood swallow which is found in South Asia. Like other wood swallows, it has a short curved bill and a short square tail and long wings. It is usually seen perched in groups, high on power lines, tall bare trees, and most often in areas with a predominance of tall palm trees. This stocky wood swallow has an ashy grey upperparts, with a darker head and a narrow pale band on the rump. The underside is pinkish grey, and the short slaty black tail is tipped in white. The finch-like bill is silvery. In flight, the long wing looks very broad at the base, giving it a very triangular outline. The first primary is very short. The legs are short and the birds usually perch on high vantage points from which they make aerial sallies. Males and females are indistinguishable in the field. However, an old report suggests that the sexes differ in the color of the inside of the mouth. Young birds appear barred on the underside. Wood swallows are found in a range of habitats from the plains to about 2,000 meters, over cultivated areas, in forest clearings, and often in areas with tall palm trees. The species is widely distributed across Bangladesh, India, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Myanmar, Laos, Malaysia and China. Ashy wood swallows are usually seen in small groups. Several birds may sit huddled side by side on the bare branches of a tall tree, sometimes preening each other. They also perch on high vantage points, such as power lines and pylons. From their perches, they make aerial sallies, flapping and gliding to capture insects in the air. Insects may be caught in the beak, transferred and held in their feet, torn up with their bill and swallowed without returning to the perch. They may also return to the perch with prey to feed, and will sometimes sit on the ground, and have been known to visit bird baths. Although mainly feeding on insects, they may take nectar from flowers of trees such as erythrina. The breeding season in India is March to June. The nest is a shallow cup placed at some height, such as at the base of the frond of a tall palm, or a hollow atop a street lighting post. The usual clutch consists of 2 to 3 greenish-white eggs with brown spots. Both parents take part in nest building, incubation, and feeding the young. They will mob larger birds, such as crows and birds of prey that approach too close to the nesting birds. The song consists of a varied combination of wheezy notes that may include imitations of the calls of other birds. The usual call is shrill nasal chook. The wood swallows, Artemidae, are among the few perching birds that have special feathers called powder down that break up into fine dust that is spread by the birds onto their body when preening. Thank you for your interest in wildlife. See you soon, take care and be safe.